Today we will make a sandwich that contains fried eggplant, cauliflower and potato. It's called in Arabic sandwich al-ma'ali. First we have to prepare the vegetables. Cut the eggplant like this. Sprinkle some salt and leave it for 30 minutes, then wash it and make sure you dry it. Next we will have to cut and prepare the cauliflower. Make sure to break it into big pieces, not small ones. Then wash it and sprinkle some salt if you want before frying. Then you will have to peel 2 potatoes, wash it and cut it into thick pieces. Sprinkle some salt on it and let's fry all the ingredients. Heat the oil in a pan and put the potatoes, let it fry until they take a golden color. Now remove the potatoes and put it on a paper to absorb the excess oil. Now continue with the frying and put the cauliflower in the oil. It should be very hot. Meanwhile, let's make the Tarator sauce. Put in a bowl half a cup of tahini and then put 1 crushed garlic clove. Add the juice of 1 lemon. This sauce is very famous in the Lebanese cuisine and it's very suitable for this sandwich. Sprinkle some salt and start by mixing the ingredients. Once you start mixing, you will notice the thickness of the sauce. Now you will have to add the water. Add the water gradually until you reach a nice and smooth texture. When you reach this texture, it's ready to be served. Now the cauliflower are ready, remove it when it takes this color. And finally, we'll have to fry the eggplants until it takes a golden color. If you want a strong flavor for the eggplants, leave it until it looks like this. We're done with the frying part, now we are ready to make our sandwich. Look at this plate, how it looks delicious, it's very yummy. Now let's make the sandwich. Bring your favorite type of bread, I'm using Lebanese bread. Put some lettuce, put some potatoes, some eggplants and some cauliflower. Now add the tomato slices and some pickle. The star in this sandwich, the Tarator sauce. Add it and be generous with the quantity. We also add some pomegranate molasses. It's very yummy and very recommended with this sandwich. You can see how it's very easy to make and it's very delicious. You will love it once you try it. Try it and let me know your opinion. صحتين وهنا.